So Spark makes it really easy to send video emails in Platformly. So what you can do is create your video in SendSpark and then embed it into any Platformly email in a way that the video is going to play in line in your viewer's email when it's supported, and that you can also include these first name variables in the video thumbnail and other parts of the video experience, so that without any extra time or effort on your part, your video is going to be automatically personalized for your recipient. The way this is going to work is you can record or upload your video to SendSpark. And when you do this, you're going to see your video on a shareable video landing page. Every aspect of this page is customizable. So you can have your own logo up here. You can change all the colors. You can change all of the text. And this is what viewers are going to see when the video doesn't play directly in their email and it opens into a new tab. And you can add your first name and different variables from Platformly here. So when you're typing out, for example, a title, then you can click on this personalize option to select their first name, company name, or job title. And then when you add this, it's going to automatically pull in that information from Platformly to customize the video from them. So you can customize this title above the video, this message below the video. This is a message. You can also add a call to action here. So this is what you want your viewers to do after watching your video. If you want them to click on a link or subscribe or schedule a meeting with you, then that's going to go here. And then the one last place that you can customize that we super highly recommend doing is the video thumbnail. And this is what viewers see in email. So like this here is the video thumbnail. And you can customize that by clicking share video and then clicking this customize button. And you can see in this example, I added video for first name. So it would be like video for Brandon, video for Isaac. And you can change the fallback here as well. So by default, the fallback is going to be there. Like if you're saying hi there and we don't have their name, we'll show there. But obviously video for there would look a little weird. So I changed it to you, and you can just click on that to change it and insert the correct merge tag. Then to share the video, all you need to do is click on this Platformly button and then go over into your Platformly email. And then I'm just going to delete this. So you want to switch over to the HTML editor and just delete anything you see there and then paste it in. You don't have to modify or edit this code at all. You just paste it. And then you can flip back into non-HTML to see your video preview. And this is like the example here, but you can do this in any of the Platformly editors or anywhere where you're looking to add a video. One thing to note, if you don't see Platformly on your share modal, that's totally fine. Just click on this edit ad option, and then you can customize your share modal with the options you're actually going to use. So make sure to uncheck any email platforms you don't use and just check Platformly. So that way you'll see it and it'll be super easy for you to grab that code. I hope this helps you connect with your audience with more personalization. If there's anything at all you need, feel free to reach out and we're more than happy to help. Happy recording.